In this video, I will show you how to add glow shadow in CapCut. So if you want to add the glow shadow in CapCut, so the glow shadow, you can be able to add the glow shadow to your text or picture or icon in CapCut. So I will just go ahead and use the picture and the text and the icon in this video. So first of all, I add my text. If you want to add the glow shadow to your picture, just select the picture like this. After you select the picture, you want to add the glow shadow to it. Go to this video and go to this remove video, auto remove. So after you remove the background of the picture like this, now click on this auto stroke. After you select the stroke like this, now go to this solid stroke. After you select this solid stroke, scroll to down. So now you can go ahead and change the color if you want. After you change the color of the shadow, then you can increase the size or decrease size like this. After that, you can just go ahead now and decrease the opacity. So I decrease the opacity. Now as you can see, now I have the shadow under my picture. But if you want shadow to be let's say you want the shadow to be in this side or this side of the picture, so all you have to do is just go off and select this one, offset stroke. So after I select the offset stroke, now it give me the shadow at this side. So if you scroll to down, you can click on this option to change the color. After you change the color, so if you want like the shadow to be in this side, you can just change the position to be in this side like this, and that's it. So now I add the shadow to picture. But if you want to add the shadow to a text, just select the text like this. Go to this text basic, scroll to down under the basic. After you scroll to down, here is it now. Click on this shadow. After you select the shadow, then go ahead and click on this color to change the color. After you select the color you want, you can increase the opacity in this option, or you can just increase the blueness of the text of shadow like this. If you scroll to down, you can change the distance of the shadow, and you can change even the angle of the shadow like this one. Now you can change the angle if you want. After you finish, go ahead and use it in your video, and that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.